In this video, I'll show you how to add fireproof sites in DuckDuckGo Browser. Don't worry, it will be easy to follow. Fireproof sites allow certain websites to stay logged in even when you clear browsing data using DuckDuckGo's Fire button. This is useful for websites you use regularly, like email accounts, streaming services, banking websites, or work platforms. Let's start with the settings method first. Open DuckDuckGo Browser and click the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the section related to data clearing. In case this location changes in the future, look around for something like Privacy or Fireproof Sites, depending on your browser version. But in this version, data clearing is here, so let's click it. Then click on the Manage Fireproof Sites section. Here, DuckDuckGo Browser lets you manage websites that should be protected from automatic data clearing. To add a new fireproof site, click the option to add a website. Now manually type the website address you want to protect. For example, you can enter websites like gmail.com, youtube.com, or any other website you want to stay signed into. But what if you don't want to type a longer website address, or you want to make sure you don't make a typing mistake? A faster way is to copy the address. Let me show you how. I'll demonstrate it using YouTube. Right-click on the address bar. If everything is highlighted and selected, great. But if not, left-click on the address bar and press Ctrl+A to select everything. Once everything is highlighted, right-click and click Copy. Now let's add the first site. Click Add, then paste in the copied address either by right-clicking in the empty space and clicking Paste, or by left-clicking and pressing Ctrl+V. Then click Add. After entering the website address, save or confirm the change. The website will now be added to your Fireproof Sites list. This means DuckDuckGo Browser will keep certain cookies and login data for that website even when other browsing data is cleared. If you ever want to remove a fireproof site, simply return to this section and delete it from the list. Now I'll teach you the second method. You can get to the Fireproof section really quickly by clicking on this flame icon in the top right corner. Then click Manage. When you click the Fire button, DuckDuckGo Browser gives you the option to quickly clear tabs and browsing data. Normally, this removes cookies, browsing history, and temporary website data. However, websites added to your Fireproof Sites list remain protected. That means you can clear most browsing activity while still staying logged into your selected websites. This is one of the main privacy features that makes DuckDuckGo Browser different from many traditional browsers. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more browser privacy and tech tutorials.